Hello everyone, I'm Adnan. So today I'm going to show you how to make two columns of text in Docs. Google Docs. So let's get started. First, I'm going to collect a paragraph. So I'm going to take this article. Then I'm going to copy it, and I'm going to jump into my Google Docs file, and then I have I have paste the article in my Google Doc file, and then what I'm going to do now, I'm going to select the format option, and then I'm going to um, use two line two columns of text from this column option. If you want to make it three, then what you need to do, as you can see that the column there, so this has become three columns text. So this is how you can create two or three columns text in Google Docs. Thank you all, best of luck, keep watching my videos, and don't forget to subscribe and press like if you find my videos helpful.